we have told all the stakeholders that this is a serious issue and needs to be dealt with immediately, because one thing is there are schools and there are young youth which are there, and this particular things which are surfacing in the media is having a detrimental effect on the youth of Goa. So we need to address this issue right away. So we have given specific instructions to the police to book cases under Immoral Trafficking Act. We have also given strict instructions to the police to identify such hotels or such places which are used for such activities, and we will take strict action against all such hotels and all such premises which are used for such illegal activities. Also, we have told the police to identify the middlemen and the pimps which are involved in such activities, so that we can book offences against them. As you all know, under the Immoral Trafficking Act, the ladies who are involved in such activities are considered as victims, and we need to rescue them. So if the police produce such ladies who are involved in such activities, we will refer them to the protective home as victims under the Immoral Trafficking Act. So
what we are planning to do is that those girls who want to leave prostitution, we will provide employment, we will provide them 15,000 salary, ESI and PF. But we know that till and until action is taken against the traffickers, against the pimps, and against the hotels which are providing them space to do commercial sexual activity and the clients, these girls will not exist.